So it definitely appears that it must be Mustang week. We did a black Mustang last week with a stage 2 paint correction treatment, and that wasn't so much to talk about paint correction itself. It was to debunk the myth of how hard it is to fix up black paint. If you want to visit that or have a look at it, go to our blog post and you'll see it there, and you'll see how this Mustang has actually come out. This one here, of course, is just the stage 1 paint correction treatment. It could do with a little bit more depth, a little bit more gloss. It's got some very light webbing again. Again, we have not very good weather conditions in terms of showing the car off, but this is sort of like a pre-shot, sort of like show how the car looks. And we're just going to be doing a stage 1 just to clean it up, bring some colour out of it, put a nice paint sealer on it and make it just pop, explode in the owner's eyes. So we'll see what the results look like afterwards. Talk then. Welcome back, guys. This is that Mustang we showed earlier on. This morning under the overcast sky, we couldn't get the before, but at least we got a decent afternoon light to get the after. This was a stage 1, which we started on early this morning, and we've only just finished it now, and it's just almost 5 o'clock. It's come up really nice, just rich red, all gloss, all depth, minor imperfections, the top surface stuff all gone. I don't know if the video captures it 100%, but this thing's got a lot of depth on it. Maybe you can notice it on the black there, how rich the black and deep and rich and glossy it is. But having said that, the whole car's like that. This car, by the way, is also 100% Maguire's treated. It is from the abrasive to the polish to the paint sealer. Everything is 100% all Megs. There hasn't been any crossing of abrasive or polish or paint sealers. This is roughly what 100% Maguire's treated vehicle looks like, and this is just with the stage 1 when it's carried out correctly in professional hands. This also goes back to the guys who keep bagging the brand, keep saying it doesn't cut the mustard. Well, guys, it cuts the mustard, and it certainly delivers on a nice shine, a nice gloss factor. This Mustang has come up really nice. Just makes you want to jump in and drive it and just go show off. Cars that look this beautiful when they're done, they're just a pleasure to look at. And being a 100% Maguire's treated car, I think Meg's will be proud to see how this car has come out, and probably bring a tear to their eyes. Yeah, and that's it. Stage 1 paint correction, Mustang. Thanks for watching, guys.